Nice babbling brook beside the road day after the flood. Sorry about all the cars, but that's part of being out in nature here on the road. But anyway, this beautiful Rambo 4 Creek, babbling brook, very beautiful. Motorcycles and cars going by. In the Fern Grotto, day after the flood of the millennium, probably. First major big flood of 2021. Anyway, and there's the Fern Grotto. Trees covered in mosses because there's so much moisture and humidity and water and rainfall. The rainforest, hemlock forest. And again, there is part of your 20% of the world's supply of fresh water in Canada. Beautiful babbling brook. All those animals around here, you should chlorinate it before you drink it. The water that comes out of the taps here is all treated before it's given to the campers. Anyway, beautiful Fern Grotto, babbling brook, nice little waterfall. Evergreen ferns. Maple Ridge, British Columbia, Canada, Golden Ears Park.